5 from 3-point distance.
Mid-range jumper mula kay Gian Mamuyak. So, Oftana's got the 5 for TNT. Mamuyak's got the 4 for Rain or Shine. That's our score right now.
Mamuyak is deadly from medium range. And
Makuha ang lamang.
tumatakbo
Oh,
sila.
what a bounce pass from Asisio. Went through that eye of the needle to get to Clarito for the finish.
Iba yung galaw ngayon ng Rain or Shine. Na-dominate ng TNT ang rebounding to the tune of 58 and 50.
Oh, check that one out. One nice pass for another sa kabilang side. Asisio to Clarito. Ngayon naman, ang ganda ng pasa kay Bosotrov ni Oftana.
And playing defense.
Look at Jonard bodying up. And then, oh! They're gonna count that,
I
right?
think they will count that.
Oh, they're not? Well, referee Gruta is saying no, but I think that should count.
Well, he went up and then
Then he throws it away. Kobuntin now will run. Oftana's running on the other side, but Glenn says,
He will score.
I'll take it all the way.
this time a turnover against Rain or Shine. And you notice the way TNT is packing the paint. They're congesting that lane.
Ayun, ang sabi niya, hindi, siya lang daw talaga ang nagtitinto.
Oh, look at that. Sorting in para sa rebound na yon. Michael Malonzo plus the putback. He's got 4 in the game.
Ibang klase. Lundag ang pinakita ni Malonzo.
To the side, to the trailer. Johnson, 3. Basket is good. Bumawi ng 3. Pinayagan nilang maka-3 si Oftana. Kinuha naman agad ni Kalen Johnson pabalik.
That's only the second 3-point shot ng Rain or Shine. But good enough for a 5-point lead.
Slow break muna tayo. Sabay bigay sa cutter. Brandon for his first 2 points of the game. Oh, yung mga referees just making sure na no extracurricular. Karakot kicks it to the corner. Santillan's 3. That's good. Ayan na. Nahanap po siya din. Parang tuloy.
Hinahanap siya ni Andre Karakut.
Wala rin si Kelly Williams. Matagal nang wala si Batak at si Castro. Oh, baseline drive! At nahuli ni Keith Dadu si Brandon Ganuelas-Rosser. Napasok ang tira. Kamay nitong Rain or Shine. Nadedeflect nila yung mga pasa. Then the pass inside. Michael Malonzo from Gian Mamuyak. 10 na ang lamang ng Rain or Shine. Timeout. DNT. Nakuha pa rin ang Rain or Shine. Johnson 3.
Oh, yes.
And you know when things are bouncing your way.
Oh, yeah. That's
Literally.
20-point lead now by Rain.
Piling up the points the second half. And Ciso dropping it over to Galinato, who completes the play.
TNT just a torrent of 3-point shots.
Glenn, another
They
one.
made it.
It's down to this game. See Dadu, no hesitation. It popped out. Santillan, the offensive rebound, and the putback. Rain or Shine can put any vacation plans on hold because they're going to go to a game 6, probably with 4 minutes remaining. And that's it.